Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Cowboyhood platform. So it is basically an online shopping platform that provides you with a wide variety of clothing items inspired by the cowboy theme. So you can buy different products for both men and women. It offers you a wide variety of shirts, pants, and even boots and hats. So as you can see, let's dive deeper. Their pictures and the quality of the items uploaded on their platform is really good, and the intuitive website is actually up to the mark. So now let's find out what's actually behind those fancy ads and different products. As you can see in the Trustpilot website, the Cowboyhood has a rating of 3.1 out of 5, which is slightly good rating, or you can see like average rating, and it is based on 89 reviews. And once you read the reviews, the person is saying the pictures on the website do not come close to the quality, and the different reviews are actually authentic. So as you can see different reviews of the product on the Scam Advisor website as well, they have a trust score of 1 out of 100, which is the worst possible trust score. So in conclusion, I would say you should not buy product from this platform directly. You should consult or maybe ask any of your friend or any other person who might have bought different products, so that he or she can share the experience, and then you can be confident and buy product and invest money in this platform. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comment below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.